Cracking the Coinbase code. What crypto can you actually store? Ever stared at a sea of crypto options and wondered, wait, can I even put this in my Coinbase wallet? Fear not, crypto comrades, because today we're diving deep into the world of Coinbase Wallet and exploring exactly which digital currencies it embraces. Now, for those crypto newbies out there, Coinbase Wallet might sound familiar. It's the self-custody counterpart to the popular exchange, Coinbase.com. But here's the key difference. Coinbase.com holds onto your crypto for you, kind of like a bank. With Coinbase Wallet, you're the boss. You get the keys, quite literally, meaning you have complete control over your digital assets. But that control comes with a responsibility, figuring out which shiny crypto tokens actually fit in your wallet. So, buckle up, because we're about to break down the supported cryptocurrencies and networks on Coinbase Wallet. Ethereum's entourage, a world of ERC20 tokens. First up, let's talk Ethereum. It's a blockchain platform that powers a whole bunch of other cryptocurrencies, kind of like a digital apartment complex. These additional cryptos are called tokens, and most of them live on the Ethereum blockchain. They're known as ERC20 tokens, named after the standard that created them. The good news? Coinbase Wallet throws open its doors to pretty much all ERC20 tokens. We're talking classics like Chainlink, Link, and Uniswap, Uni, all the way to the latest meme coin du jour. Just do your research before diving into those. This makes Coinbase Wallet a great option for anyone who wants to explore the vast and ever-evolving world of Ethereum-based tokens. Beyond Ethereum, a multi-blockchain bonanza. But Coinbase Wallet doesn't discriminate against other blockchains. It's like a crypto hostel, welcoming a whole bunch of different digital currencies. Here are some of the heavy hitters. Bitcoin, BTC, the OG crypto, the granddaddy of them all, needs no introduction. Coinbase Wallet lets you store your precious BTC with ease. Solana, SOL, this high-speed blockchain is making waves, and Coinbase Wallet is happy to be its crypto custodian. Dogecoin, Doge, because why not have some fun with your crypto portfolio? You can hold your Doge army right alongside your more serious investments. Layer 2 Love, scaling Ethereum's heights. If you've been following the crypto scene, you've probably heard of something called Layer 2 solutions. These are basically express lanes built on top of the Ethereum blockchain to handle transactions faster and cheaper. Coinbase Wallet recognizes the importance of these solutions and supports several Layer 2 networks, including Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon. This means you can store your tokens on these networks and enjoy the benefits of quicker and more affordable transactions. A word to the wise, not every crypto makes the cut. Alright, so Coinbase Wallet is pretty generous with its support, but there are a few exceptions. Due to low usage, some cryptos haven't made the cut, including Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Ethereum Classic, ETC, Stellar Lumens, XLM, and Ripple, XRP. If you're a hodler of any of these, don't fret, there are other wallets out there that can accommodate them. Keeping up with the crypto craze, staying informed. The world of crypto moves fast, and Coinbase Wallet is constantly evolving to keep pace. The best way to stay on top of things? Head over to their official website and check out their supported assets and networks page. This is your one-stop shop for the latest info on which cryptos get the green light from Coinbase Wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crypto exploring.